Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. It is Tuesday, June 19th. Oh, sorry about that. Allergies are kicking in today. Hope everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. We have another one. Amazon Prime unboxing. You can check them out. Link is going to be down below. And you can get one of these. Coming from Race Inc. I'm not sure what this could be, but about to find out. And it's Tuesday. Lovely. We got something in for you guys. And it is... oh, my good friends over at Audew. Tire inflator. Alright. There we go. Got guys down. Got nothing to inflate right now, but we'll just show you how it looks. If you guys want one at a low cost, all you gotta do is click the link, take advantage of the Amazon Prime shipping. So there's a pump, on, off, Sarah adapter, plug it in your car, or any adapters. And we got there, got the hose, or the needle. And there you go. Oh, there we go. That way. That, nice and easy. Nice design. Lightweight, easy to carry. Maybe for bike rides, in case you go out riding. You could use this for tents. And then we got this thing called Jobby Nooner for the rafts. This will be good for the boats. Keep on. So, a little bit. Alright. There you go. And that's about it. Very simple. You can use it, like I said, 10 minutes, inflation, secure, fit, all that good stuff. Steamboat, balls, cars, bicycles, even inner tubes and stuff like that. Great in the summertime. And then that's about it for Audew tire inflator. Alright, YouTubers, you guys be safe. I got another video coming up. See you in a minute. See ya.